Greetings everyone, welcome back. Today we speak English. We are at a hawker center. Are you ready to order food? Let's practice together. First, listen. Hello. I would like chicken rice, please. Say it with me. I would like chicken rice, please. Very good. Now the seller speaks. What would you like? Say it. What would you like? Nice. Let's try it again together. What would you like? I would like noodles, please. Great job. Next, drinks. I would like water, please. I would like juice, please. Say it with me. Wonderful. Now, one more important phrase. How much is it? Say it. How much is it? Good. The seller says it's $5. Say it with me. Great. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. I would like rice. I would like noodles, please. I would like juice, please. Question and answer. What would you like? Very good. One more. How much is it? It is $3. Excellent. Quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. What do you say to order food? I would like, please? Yes. Question 2. What does the seller ask? What would you like? Great. Question 3. How do you ask the price? How much is it? Excellent. Wonderful. Now you can order food in English. Yum, yum. Don't forget to like, follow, and see you next time. Ta-ta!